Hi, good morning, dear students. The last class we did discuss about the first chapter, that is a typical configuration of computer. Okay, in that chapter we discuss about the internal parts of computer. Okay, last class we discuss about this. Okay, already I am sending notes and also questions and answers. Okay, just to practice these questions. Okay, and also we finished the second chapter, that is the concept of OOP. Okay, that chapter is for both first PUC and second PUC. Okay, for both purpose that chapter will be covered. Okay, same chapter we have for a second year also. Okay, the concept of basics of OOP, that chapter carries up to 7 marks. Okay, that you have to study. Okay, that is also I am sending questions and answers. Okay, you have to see that chapter also. Okay, totally we are in second year, we are finished 2 chapters. The first chapter is a typical configuration of computer. The second chapter is the basics of okay, of basics of object oriented programming language. Now go for the third chapter, that is nothing but a data structure. Okay, data structure, it carries how much marks? See, it carries up to, so you have 14 marks. Up to you have a 14 marks. This chapter it carries, see, for your reduced syllabus, but it carries up to 24 marks. Okay, ಏನಾದರೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 24 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಸಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಾಟಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. What is data structure? Already you know data structure nothing but data type. Data structure nothing but what are data types. Okay, already you discussed about data types. Data types nothing but what? There are so many data types already we discussed in first year. Int, char, double, float, these are nothing but data types where you have to use when during programming, when you are writing programming to declare a variables, we have to use these data types. Okay, already you know in the first year. Okay, int means it contains integer, it stores integer value. Float means it stores floating value, like this. Okay, already you know that. You have to extend it now in this second year. You have to study about then other data structures also. Okay, different data structure. Then last in first year you discuss about only four data types. In this year you have to discuss about the another 4 to 5 data structures. Okay, data structure nothing but data types. Okay, first you have to remember what is data or data. Okay, data or data means what? Data means nothing but, see, it is a collection of facts and figures. Okay, it is a collection of facts and figures are called data. Whatever you have to enter to the computer, that is called what? Data. Okay, this is you have to remember, collection of facts and figures. Facts means what? Characters, numbers. Figures means what? The images. Okay, you have to enter the character to the computer, that is nothing but called data. If you enter the any numbers, that is called data. If you are insert any images, that is called data. Okay, and then what is data? One more question they will ask you, what is data? Data means nothing but collection of facts and figures. Okay, collection of facts and figures calculated by the computer. That is called what? Data. Okay, that is called data. Then what is data structure? What is data structure? One more question they will ask in the exam so many times. What is meant by data structure? Data structure nothing but it is a specialized format. It is a specialized format for organizing and storing data. Okay, it is used for to storing data. Okay, for example, take int a. Int is nothing but it is one data structure. It is nothing but it is a data structure. See, if you want to store any value, if you must ensure you have to use a data structure. Without data structure you cannot write any value, you cannot store any values. Okay, this is you have to remember. For example, when you are writing any program without data type, if you write means you are getting so many errors. Okay, why you are getting error means, see, if you want to store any number, for example, I want to store a equal to 10. Okay, I want to store a equal to 10 means in computer, then what you want, must and should you want data structure or data type. Okay, that's why to storing data must and should we want a data structure. Okay, this is concept you have to remember. What is the use of data structure? Use of data structure for storing data. Okay, for storing data, numbers, characters must and should be you have to use data structure. Okay, this is you have to remember. See, then what is data structure? It is a specialized format or systematic format. Okay, then for storing, organizing and storing data. You have to organize and storing the data. That's called what data structure. So many times one marks question idu annual exam alli kelidane, what is data structure anta heli you have to remember. For storing data purpose you have to use data structures. Okay, this is you have to remember. Already you know data types, nothing but data structure. Okay, this is you have to remember. Then the next, what are the advantages? This is asked for 3 marks. Okay, mention or explain the advantages of data structure. Explain the advantages of data structure. In that first one, what is the main use of data structure for storing data? Okay, to see advantage, utilization of space. Utilization of space means by using data structure, if you write a program, means it save our memory space in computer. Okay, it save our memory space in computer. Okay, that's purpose you want to use data structure. The data will be stored in systematic manner if you use a data structure. Okay, data structure means data types use madidandre. Okay, data will be stored in systematic manner. It save our memory space in computer. Okay, that's why utilization of space. Okay, utilization of space, that is one advantages of data structure. Then second one, optimization of time taken for processing. It reduces the time taken for the processing. If you have read any equations, it takes less time for processing that data. Okay, if you write a program by using data structure, it takes less time. Okay, optimization means reducing the time. Okay, for processing purpose. Okay, that is also one advantage of a data structure. Then third advantage, mathematical description. Okay, easily you can write formulas in the program by using a data structure. Okay, already you are writing programming. Okay, already you program you are writing formulas also in programs. Okay, how it is possible? Because of data structure. Without data structure, without declaring variable, you cannot write any formula. Definitely you are getting errors. Okay, this is mathematical description. If you want to write a mathematical formulas, also must and should be want data structure. Okay, then efficiency means the program will be executed faster. Okay, by using data structure. If you write a program by using data structure means data types. Okay, then correctness means it gives an accurate result. Okay, if you use any data types in program, it gives an accurate result. Okay, that is the correctness. These are the advantages of data structure. It asked for 5 marks and also it asked for 3 marks also. What are the advantages of a data structure? Okay, the first advantage is the utilization of time taken. Okay, utilization of space means it save our memory. Second one, optimization time means it reduce our time taken for processing purpose. Then the mathematical description means you can write different formulas by using these data structure. Then efficiency, then correctness. These are the advantages. Okay, in that first it will ask you what is defined data, then define data structure. Then third question is what are the advantages of data structure. Okay, the next one is a data structure, also called DS. DS means what? Data structure. Okay, DS means data structure. See, data structure is classified into 2 types. There are 2 types of data structure we have. Okay, 2 types of data structure. One is a primitive data structure, second one is a non-primitive data structure. Okay, there are 2 types of data structure we have. One is a primitive data structure, second one is a non-primitive data structure. This is also asked for so many times. Okay, this is asked for 3 marks. Explain the classification of data structure. Okay, explain the classification of data structure. It is asked for 3 marks. Okay, the data structure can be classified into 2 types. First one is a primitive data structure, second one is a non-primitive data structure. See, primitive data structure. Example for primitive data structure, you have to already in first year primitive data structure nothing but fundamental data types. Fundamental data types already int, float, char, double, extra one is pointer. You have to this year you have to discuss about this chapter. Okay, int, float, char, double, these are nothing but primitive data structure. Okay, primitive data structure nothing but fundamental data types. Okay, fundamental data types. Okay, int, float, char, double and pointer. Okay, these are the primitive data structures. Okay, this is you have to remember. Then see, the second one is a non-primitive data structure. Non-primitive data structure can be classified into two types. One is a linear data structure, second one is a non-linear data structure. Non-linear data structure. In linear data structure example, already you discussed in first year also. Array, string, stack, queue. This year you have to discuss about the stack and queue. Array, string already but this year also you have to discuss about the array. Okay, array programs. Okay, array is very important chapter. Okay, this year. Okay, array, string, stack, queue. These are the example for linear data structure. Then non-linear data structure. Non-linear. There are two examples. One is graph and a tree. Graph and a tree. These are all data structures. Okay, so many times examination one marks question. Give the example for non-linear data structure. Non-linear data example is graph and tree. Give the example for linear data structure. That is array, string. These are stack. These are the linear data structures. Okay, now give the example for primitive data structure. Primitive data structure example is see int, float, char, double. Any example you can give. Okay, this is you have to remember. Okay, there are how many types? The data structure can be classified into two types. One is a primitive data structure, second one is a non-primitive data structure. In non-primitive data structure there are two types. One is a linear, second one is a non-linear. Okay, you already discuss about these int, float, char, double in first year. Now in second year you have to discuss about these non-primitive data structures. Okay, non-primitive data structure where you have to use what are the functions, how to declare, how to use. Okay, these you have to discuss. Okay, this is you have to remember. So many times examination every year give the examples for non-primitive data structure. Give the example for non-primitive yadadru ನೀವು ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. Give the example for primitive data structure. You can write like this. Primitive data structure is also called built-in data types or fundamental data types. Okay, this is you have to remember. The data structure can be classified into primitive. Second one is a non-primitive. Okay, this much you have to remember. Okay, I am sending a notes. Write a notes and see the chapter. Okay, see this video and learn this chapter. Okay, see first in today we will discuss about what is data, then what is data structure, then what are the advantages of data structure, then what are the types of data structure. Okay, this much today we have to discuss about this. Okay, the next class we discuss about the another next what is primitive data structure, what are the operations on this, what are the non-primitive data structure, what are the operations on this. Okay, this is next class we discuss about this. Please write a notes. I am sending a notes also. Okay, thank you for watching this video.